To begin, open Google Slides and select any presentation, or create a new blank presentation. On the top panel, click Add-ons and then Get Add-ons. A new tab will open and you will be taken to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here, just type PresentPal into the search bar and click on the PresentPal icon to open the listing, and then tap Install. A window will appear asking you to get ready to install. Click Continue to progress. Choose a Google account you want to install the PresentPal add-in on and click Allow. A window notifying you that the PresentPal add-on was successfully installed will appear, and then just click Done. You can now exit the Google Workspace Marketplace tab and return to your slideshow. Make sure to refresh the page, then click Add-ons on the top sidebar. Click on PresentPal for Google Slides add-on and then click Open. To begin, enter your email address and password. These login details should be the same ones that you use to log into the PresentPal app. We recommend clicking Remember Me as it will save your details and automatically log you into the PresentPal account in the future. Once you're ready, click Log In. To enable slide control, you must install the PresentPal extension first. Slide control allows you to pair your devices and control your slideshow as you present using the PresentPal app. To get the PresentPal extension, click on the Get Our Extension to enable slide control button. This will open a new tab and you'll be taken to the PresentPal extension listing on the Chrome Web Store. Click on the Add to Chrome button, then click Add Extension. This will open a new tab which will confirm that the extension was successfully installed. Close this page and return to your Google slide deck to start using the PresentPal add-on and extension. If you're still seeing the Get Our Extension to enable slide control button when you open the add-on, just refresh the page to make sure that the extension is working correctly. You will now have the Present button on the top left corner of the add-on window. You are now up and running with the add-on and extension. Get ready to start creating, editing and presenting notes with confidence.